Hi everyone, I'm Julie, and welcome to Finance with Julie. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to my first financial tool, the monthly budget template, a tool that will help you take control of your finances and start building the life you've always wanted. To ensure the template works smoothly, it's protected against accidental changes. We have protected it to prevent any errors. So if you see any warning messages, don't worry. It's just there to keep everything functioning properly. Just follow the instructions and you'll be fine. If you'd like to customize it further, you can unprotect the sheet anytime. Let's explore the features of the template. First thing you will see is the instructions sheet. Where you can see the step-by-step, this page explains everything you need to know about how the template works. An example sheet that serves as a helpful guide, illustrating how to use the template effectively. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the layout and features before diving into your own budget. And also a personalized monthly budget sheet where you can enter your information and duplicate it if necessary. Just right-click with the mouse and select the duplicate option. As a gift, I have also included a bill and debt payments calendar. You can keep track of your bills and your savings. This template is very easy to use. Just follow the instructions. Now I will start to show you how this template works. Step 1. Set up your budget. Setting up your budget template is quick and easy. Start with the date and currency. Select the date range for your budget, for example, the start and end of the month, and choose your currency symbol, and then enter any previous balance you want to include in the budget. This step is optional. You can also leave it at 0. For example, let's use $1,000 for this example. In the goal breakdown percentage area, you can select how much of your income will go to expenses, bills, what percentage will go to savings, and to pay off debts. For this example, I've used 30% for expenses, 20% for bills, 30% for savings, 20% for debt. But you can put the percentages you want. The template will automatically calculate and track these percentages, helping you stay on top of your goals. It's time to break down your financial achievements for this month. Write down your financial achievements like saving $500 or paying off a credit card. Step 2. Customize your categories. Personalizing your budget template is key, because we understand that everyone's financial situation is unique. We will start entering some values. Add up to 10 income sources, for example, salary bonuses. For each, include the name, expected date, and amount. In the expenses area, add categories such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Use checkboxes to track payments or mark items as completed. We will continue to add the rest of the information in all categories. Step 3. Tracking your transactions. Use the transaction tracker to record every payment, income, or expense. This feature keeps everything organized and ensures you know exactly where your money is going. Record each income and expense, categorize it accurately, and watch as the template automatically updates your budget in real time. You'll see your financial goals clearly outlined, along with the percentage of your income allocated to each. You'll quickly identify areas where you're excelling and areas that might need adjustment. After you have registered all the transactions, you will go to the top of the template. Step 4. Monitor your progress and achieve your goals. At the top of the template, you'll find a summary of your financial progress. Instantly, see if you're in budget or over budget. Get a breakdown of your income, expenses, savings, and debt. This visual representation of your budget makes it easy to track your progress and stay motivated. You'll see at a glance how much you've saved, how much debt you've paid off, and how close you are to reaching your financial milestones. Our template includes visual dashboards and summaries that provide a clear snapshot of your financial health. For example, if your income is $6,000 and your expenses are $1,200, the template will calculate that you've spent 20% of your income. It'll even highlight if you've gone over budget so you can make adjustments. In our template, you'll also find the Savings Goals Tracker, designed to help you organize and monitor your savings. Simply enter the name of your goal, the deposit dates, the amount you plan to save, your starting balance, and the balance at the end of the period. This tracker will keep you focused on your financial goals, showing you exactly when and how much you've saved, bringing you closer to achieving them. Additionally, our bill and debt payment is a tool that helps you track your bills and expenses and pay them on time. You can use it to stay on top of your financial obligations. Don't risk late payment and penalties. It's incredibly easy to use. Just enter the period and list all your obligations for the month, and they will automatically appear in the calendar. Once a debt is paid off, you can cross it out to keep your records clear and up to date. And that's it. This template gives you the tools to stay on top of your money while making budgeting simple and even a little fun. I hope you find this template as helpful and exciting as I do. If you enjoyed this video and want more tools to help you manage your money mindfully, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's take control of your finances together, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.